Every Flutter app starts with one special function called main. Let's read this code line by line and understand exactly what happens. At the top, we import Flutter Material Library. This gives us widgets and tools. Then we see void main with empty parentheses and curly braces. This is the entry point. When you tap the app icon on your phone, the operating system tells Dart, start running main. Inside main, we have one line, runApp with myApp. runApp is a Flutter function that takes a widget and puts it on the screen. myApp is a class we created that extends stateless widget. So the flow is simple. Main runs first. Main calls runApp. runApp displays myApp on the screen. myApp returns a material app. Material app shows a text widget that says hi. Without main, your app cannot start. Dart always looks for main first. You never call main yourself. Flutter calls it automatically. Think of main as the front door of your house. Every visitor enters through the door. Every app execution enters through main. Try this yourself. Change the text from hi to your name. Hot reload and see it update. Main is small, but it is the most important function in your entire project.